You're about to watch clips from a recent collab I did with Lee from L4 Web Design. He's an amazing Shopify developer, and his tutorials got me to where I am today. Unfortunately, the interview audio is lost, but our crazy coding session remained. Enjoy.
We should try to create a Shopify app with ChatGPT or something like that. I would like to do that.
Let's do it, man. Let's do it. And it has all these networks that it supports, all these test nets. So right now I'm on Go Early Test Network. And in here you have this fake Ethereum called Go Early ETH. So this doesn't cost real money, right? You know those situations. Oh. We're running out of time. We got 10 minutes, Lee. We got 10 minutes.
What's that?
Look, we got 10 minutes to upgrade to Zoom Pro.
10 minutes? What do you mean?
Like, look at the top.
I can't see it. I can't.
Oh, you can't see it?
No, I can't see it. I can't see anything.
It says time left. You got 10 minutes to upgrade. Otherwise, you're gonna lose this call. I got 10 minutes.
All right, hurry up then.
I know, right? I'm gonna hurry up. Hey guys, so we're back now to do the tutorial that I just mentioned. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a Node.js application that's going to receive a request from Shopify whenever a user tries to purchase a product. But what's going to happen is it's going to cause an NFT to be minted and sent to their wallet address. Now, to follow along, you can either do it as we're doing this or check out the description below, and there'll be a link to the actual guide that we've used for this tutorial. CD into documents, and from here I'm going to make a new directory. Let's call it Shopify Mint NFT products. I know it's quite a long name, but I've done this like twice now. So I need to make a different name. What to do is create a new Node project, as I said, and I'm using Node version 16. Now 16 is probably the best Node version to use because I don't know about you, Lee, but I've had a lot of issues with Node 18. So
yeah. Me too. So it's better to use 16.
Yeah, 16 it's just the best. Right, so from here, I'm going to run npm init-y. That'll make us a package.json. And then I'm going to install a bunch of packages from here. So again, to follow along, just check out the description below. You'll see the actual guide that we're using. Then let's install these. You know those ergonomic keyboards?
Yeah.
Where they're upright like this. You don't have to keep like hunching over, so that you can spread them apart. So you can sit up straight like this and code. Index.js. Right, so now we're gonna make an index.js file, and I'm gonna paste in this code here. What this is here is a endpoint for receiving request when an order is accomplished. So when somebody purchases a product on Shopify, it will call this endpoint here, which is actually a webhook. So it's going to subscribe to it. And then it's going to do a check to see, did this request come from Shopify? If it did, and these hashes match, it's going to execute the code in here. If not, it will error out. Mm-hmm. And obviously, when the NFT gets minted, it's going to call this code block in here. So what we need to do now is actually create a webhook. So I'm going to include these steps just in case people don't know what this is. So I'm going to head over to here, open up the admin real quick. We include a nodemon script. So for those that don't know, nodemon is just a npm package that allows you to restart your server without having to keep stopping it, starting it. So whenever you make a change in the code, it will automatically restart the server for you. So I'm going to do that now. Nodemon. It already knows. Oh yeah, I got GitHub Copilot, so it automatically,
Oh, okay, nice.
Have you used any AI or GitHub Copilot or?
No, not yet.
Bro.
It's actually my first time seeing it like in action.
Really?
Yes.
Yo, to be fair, I'm quite new to it as well, but it's sick. It is sick.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
All right.
So you've got those three API keys. You're also going to need a private key from your MetaMask wallet and also a contract address for some NFT, for an NFT contract that's already been deployed to the blockchain. Now, I'll show you what I mean by this. If I head over to the browser, this is my MetaMask here, and this is what's popular. In fact, this is what's only ever used in Web3 development is MetaMask because it's like pretty much the only wallet that you can use to develop with, as far as I know. And in here, you have this fake Ethereum called Goerli ETH. So this doesn't cost real money, right?
Mhm.
Otherwise, I'll be screwed. And so the way that I don't know, have you ever seen a MetaMask wallet before, Lee?
Yeah, I've seen it before. I also got one, but I've never used this test network before.
So in here, in the MetaMask wallet, you can also get your private key. If you click on account details, and here it'll say export private key. Click on that, you have to type in your password. It will give you a private key, and that's what you need to pass through into this environment file here. Whenever an order is created, so that's like the full, as we just said. So you got like, let's say I'm buying a hoodie and a sweatshirt and some shoes. The whole order would be all three of those. So whenever
Yeah.
that's created, it's going to call this endpoint here, which at the moment is
Mm-hmm.
just a random ngrok URL. We're using
Mm-hmm.
the latest version of the API.
Can I
Then
just ask you a probably really stupid question, but
yeah,
still I want to ask it.
go on.
Can you like work with any blockchain at this point? Like, could you mint it on any blockchain, or does it have to be a specific, like, do you have to mint it to the Ethereum blockchain, or how does that
Now, good
work?
question. Yeah, so you can actually mint on any blockchain that supports smart contracts. So most
Okay,
of
I
them.
see.
So Bitcoin, for example, is a blockchain, but it doesn't support
Mm-hmm.
smart contracts. But like,
Yeah.
I'm sure you've heard of like Polygon or
Mm-hmm.
Phantom or Avalanche
Yeah.
or these other ones. Yes, Solana, all those other ones you can use. I think that'll do for now, guys. Thanks for watching. For more Web3 content, check out my other videos on how to make a Web3 Shopify theme. Lee, do you have anything you want to add?
Well, no, but thank you for introducing me to the world of Web3 within Shopify, and I'm happy to make some more videos on that topic.
Awesome, man.
So.
Well, perfect, perfect. Well, thanks for having me, Lee. Take care. Have a nice day.